Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the gear and checking fit. Remove any debris from the earbuds and case. This restores the original seal. Try silicone tips in sizes S, M, L until you feel a snug but comfortable seal because retention depends on pressure and shape. Once done, test with a short jog or head turn to detect looseness. Make sure to clean your ears too, as oil and wax reduce friction and cause slipping. This first step sets the stage for secure wear. Now you adjust placement and add mechanical support. Insert each AirPod, then rotate about 30 to 45 degrees so the tip seats into your concha. This creates a cork-like seal and reduces movement. If that's not enough, add aftermarket hooks or silicone fins, attach them so pressure distributes across the outer ear rather than the canal. Once fitted, play bass-heavy audio at a moderate level and perform dynamic movements to confirm stability. Finish by optimizing settings and planning for issues. Turn on ear detection and install the latest firmware to ensure sensors behave predictably, and make sure tips are dry before storing. For workouts, use sweat-resistant covers or sport-specific accessories to add grip. If AirPods still fall out, swap to a different tip material, consider custom-molded ear tips, or contact manufacturer support. Don't keep forcing a poor fit. One key troubleshooting tip. Test with a different ear shape or friend's tips to isolate whether it's the ear or the buds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.